Hello fellow 3D enthusiast, my name is Ian, and today I just had a few questions. As you can see, this is not Blender. I just wanted to show my face for a second and actually have a little bit more of a connection rather than just a screen, which is over there. That's why I keep looking over there. But back to the questions. What I'm thinking of doing sometime soon, and actually quite soon, is making a visual effects course. And this would be paid for, but also I generally just kind of like to get into a few more visual effects related tutorials on this channel. And before I spend a huge amount of time working on a course on visual effects and make something that nobody would care about buying, I wanted to ask you some questions about like what kind of visual effects things you're interested in learning and don't know yet and are super excited about learning. Because dude, they're out there. Visual effects is so exciting. And there's things that I'm super excited about that I still don't know. And there's some things that I do know that I'm super excited about and that not everybody knows that I think I can probably share. So yeah, feel free in the comments of this video to leave questions about visual effects that you're not quite sure about, things that frustrate you, things that you're excited to learn that you haven't learned yet, and something you'd be looking for tutorials on. I can't remember if I mentioned it, but some of these probably will go on the channel as well for free, just because you can only fit so much in a course. But yeah, feel free to ask me, even if you don't feel like spending money. I totally understand that because this is Blender and this is free, which is a great thing. And like I mentioned, some of these tutorials will probably end up being free. I'm pretty sure that's all I was going to say. So I'm going to end it here. I hope you have an excellent day and cheers.